Hey Homo sapiens and Marbites, welcome back to the channel. What went down my throat? Drink. Okay. Hey Marbites and Homo sapiens, welcome back to the channel. I am Rogue Marby Scott for you new watchers and subscribers. Today's video I am going to be doing something lovely. I'm going to be doing makeup finally again, because the last few videos have been just doing reviews, and although people like reviews, I like doing makeup. So today I decided, like, randomly going to the shop, you know, to buy a few beers because it's bank holiday Monday or weekend. Sorry, it's not Monday yet. But I decided that I wanted to do a look finally with this new hair, like, because I've not done one since I did the Olo Run God look for pardon me, the collaboration that I've done with Tamara Silk. So yeah, but that's work kind of like, so I want to do something for me. So I decided to put my birth month online, and I decided I was going to choose a celebrity of my birth month, and the celebrity that I chose was Grace Jones. And I sorry, I don't know what's going on with my throat right now. But I chose Grace Jones just because my hairstyle is giving me Grace Jones vibes at the moment, and I love Grace Jones, like, legendary goddess, you know, and she is no one, you don't mess with her, and I don't want to mess with her. However, I feel like, you know, when she hits people in interviews, I feel like I'm the one interviewer that would hit back. Anyway, so this is the picture that I chose. And I'm going to create, I'm not going to create this look, I'm just going to create an inspired look from this picture. I believe this picture was in the 80s. Well, it clearly was, because she's young. No shade. Oh, and by the way, I am going to be using two new products today. I'm going to be using a tool. One is going to be from the Jodie Beauty's new brushes. It's the Ethereal Pro Makeup brushes, if you can see that. No, you can't, so I'll just insert a clip here now. And I'm going to be using, when I can find it, the Ultimate Eye Base from Makeup Revolution. I've never used this before, so I don't know how that's going to work with me today, but we're going to try our best. Anyway, I've been chatting too much. Let's go now. So first off, I'm going to be using the Brow King palette from W7 in collaboration with Sally's World. Yes, I think I got that right today. And I'm going to be doing my brows, just because I want to do my brows first, but I'm going to do that off camera. So eyebrows done, and now I'm going to do my base for my eyes, and I am using medium, and I don't know how much I should use, so I'm gonna start off with a lot. No, I'm not. I'm going to start off with a tiny bit, and I'm going to use my ring finger to pat that in. Oh, why did that make my eye feel funny? Not in a bad way, like, I think I just pressed down on the applicator a bit too hard. So this is medium, and they only have 3 shades of eye bases, which is okay, but this is not medium, this is light for me. Do you know what I'm saying? This is like there was, like if you're going to do like skin tones, yeah, try and do a little bit more. I don't know, but this is really light. I don't think it's medium. It's medium when you put it next to everything, well, the other two, because it's the middle one. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly go and fix that up and then we'll go on to eyeshadows. So now I'm just gonna go into my Intergalactic palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Comet first, and then I'm gonna blend up towards my brow bone with Lightyear. Buzz Lightyear. So I've done that, and then I'm gonna go in with Sabbath from the Sorceress palette, and in the picture her eyebrows and the blackness seem to join, so I'm going to work in my inner corners first and bring that up like so, and then work here and then just do this. So I'm going to go in with Black Hole now. I think I said that before, but whatever, because this eye is now darker than this eye, as you can see, and I want them to be dark. So before I did go in with Sabbath in the Sorceress palette, and as you can see, I'm just being I'm not being rough, I'm just blending basically. I don't need to be too careful because this is a grungy look. This is 80s inspired, and I'm just feeling like that little pop of color here. Now it just gives it more meaning. So I want to do some eyeliner today because this look feels like it needs it, and I am going to be using the Renaissance Flick Intense Black Felt Eyeliner by Revolution. So I'm going to line my eyes. I'm going to do that off camera because I feel like I'm being watched. Yeah, I'm going to do that off camera. Well, that wasn't hard at all. Let me bring you a little bit closer. You see? Okay, let's go. So as you just saw, I put on my base, and now I'm going in with the Second Skin Concealer by Jolie Beauty. Whilst I'm at it, I might as well just add the contour. And blend. Okay, so going in with Feeling Peachy from the Jolie Beauty blushes. I am just going to concentrate that like here because I'm going to go in with a deeper shade of red. I wanted to say deeper shade of blue, but we're not steps. So I'm just concentrating it here first. And as you can see, I'm kind of angling my brush so it's not flat onto my face. And I'm going to bring that into my temples and just above my eyebrow. I'm going to sweep it right underneath my eye as well, like so. Bring some into my hairline at the top. Oh, I just love the way this brush feels on my face. This is one of the Jolie Beauty brushes, by the way. It's number 5. It's a bronzer and blusher brush. I mean, I don't tend to like using brushes per se to what they're designed to be used for, but I'm feeling that. Oh gosh, look at those cheekbones. Pow! And then from the Beauty Bakery's Better Not Bitter palette, Coffee and Cocoa, I'm gonna dip into La Vida Loca because the look that I'm going for is obviously the Grace Jones. I was gonna say Joan Collins, and I'm gonna start just here and bring that all the way round like so. I'm gonna bring that all the way up to my hairline here and then kind of blend what's left off around. Can you see how I'm holding my brush? I'm not holding like that or that. I'm kind of just like holding it like I'm holding a pen and doing circular motions as I do so. Now I love this blusher highlighter thing that Beauty Bakery is doing, because whenever I'm doing a look with reds and I want a red blush or a reddish toned bronzer, I will go to this because it just gives that shine and it just gives that vibrancy. Can you see that compared to that? Like, I like this, but we're going 80s, so this is perfect. So now I'm just going to finish off my lower lash line, but before I do that, I'm going to put some lenses. No, I'm not putting any lenses in. I am going to put on my lashes and then I'm going to do my waterline. So I'm just going to go with some black coat on my lash line. Very dark look, isn't it? So I actually doubled my lashes in a way that drag queens typically do. So in the crease, I put one set of eyelashes, and then obviously, normally I have put my lashes on my lash line. So I'm gonna go in with Paradise from the Jolie Beauty highlighter. I was gonna say highlighter palette, but no. But I'm gonna go in with the Second Skin Jolie Beauty Paradise, and I'm gonna use the highlighter brush and whoa, just do this. I don't want to spoil this. So I'm actually kind of using the corner of this brush as my point of reference to where I want it to be and do not want it to leave. I'm using it on my inner corner so that it does exactly where I want it to go. I'm gonna try my best to use this now on the tip of my nose, and did it work? Yes, it did. And then go down my bridge just a little bit and on my forehead. But with that on my nose, on my forehead, I'm going to use my sponge to kind of melt it in as well into my skin, because I've got foundation still left on there. So I kind of want that to not be as prominent as my cheeks are, but I still want it to be highlighted. So for my lips, I'm gonna do like a black black orange lip. So I'm gonna just find those products now and I'll get back to you. So I'm going to use the MUA lipstick in Raven, and I am going to carefully put this onto my lips. Then I'm going to go into the shade Confidence from the Jolie Beauty Matte Air Matte Lipsticks, I believe they're called. And put that in the negative space. So guys, that's the final look. This is how I got the look, and yes, I clearly know that it is not a direct interpretation of the Joan Collins. No, we're not doing Joan Collins. We're doing Grace Jones. I know it's not a direct look, but I took pieces, obviously, to create this look. Because I was inspired by her, because of the haircut as well, and it's been a long time coming for me to even do something that I normally do on the channel, but because I cut my hair, I've just been like in this rut where I don't want to do makeup anymore, because I feel like now I just can't. Like, I miss my hair. Do I regret cutting my hair? No. Do I regret cutting my hair because of the attention that I get from men on the street? Yes. But needless to say, I am really digging my new haircut, and I am digging how this makeup look is looking, because it's 80s. I don't know, maybe I can just, you know, I just need to work with myself and discover again who I am on the channel. Nothing massive is going to change, and yeah, I'm just digging it. Bye.